The Carbon Armor N4 Molten Metal Protective Jacket with SafeGuard technology is the next generation in solutions for thermal protection. This jacket is lightweight and breathable while offering protection from 2900-degree molten metal. When it comes to thermal protection, comfort is not often considered. That is not the case with this jacket. It features our patented ventilated flex-back design and articulated elbow for increased range of motion and extended movement. The 9.5-ounce OPF carbon blend fabric with SafeGuard coating technology is a lightweight fabric that provides premium thermal protection. Underarm gussets keep the air flowing and provide breathability. Together, these features provide an increased range of motion, breathability, and comfort. Try out our next generation in thermal molten metal protection for yourself. For more information, visit thinknsa.com or contact our customer service team to find a distributor today.